Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So y'all know I'm doing a little soup series, right? And I'll link the playlist. You know, I'll be putting my little soup recipes. I've been alternating back and forth because who gonna eat all this soup? Like, yeah. Anyway, I made a lasagna soup today. It turned out so good. I've been seeing people make this. Like, the girls always coming up with something. I don't like being left out. So I made a vegan version. It came out so well. So you want to see how I made a vegan lasagna soup? Keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so like a lot of these soups, I'm gonna start out by making a cashew cream. Really simple to do. I got some cashews that I soaked in water and well, I soaked them in boiling water. It don't matter, just soak them till they soft. And not like they're not gonna be like gummy bears. Like why I said that. But they're not gonna be like, they're gonna be like softer. Just so you don't mash up your blender and so you don't get a cashew butter. That's what we're making sure. Some nutritional yeast and some plant milk. I blend that up, I put it aside. Okay, boom. I'm taking my soup pod. My soup pod is getting a lot of good little use out of her. Anyway, and I'm putting some aromatics in, garlic and onion. What was I finna say? Oh yeah, if you wanna skip the cashew cream, don't. I wouldn't skip it. Unless you're allergic to cashews, then like, I don't need your throat swelling up. But I wouldn't skip it. You probably could use like just regular plant milk, but use like a heavier one, like oat milk or almond. And then let me know how that goes for you. Because basically what we're trying to replicate is like a cream, right? Like a half and half, but we don't do that because we're not doing dairy. Exactly. Okay, so I'm gonna not me struggling. Anyway, so I'm gonna saute up my little vegan beef. I use half the package because y'all know I don't like leftovers, right? Like I think I made about, I think this is like it's like 3 servings. I feel like maybe 4. I don't know. I don't like too many leftovers because I get tired of it. You could do more. I feel this is a great soup if you want to improvise. Just don't be like, if it don't turn out, don't be like, oh, Katie said, I ain't say nothing, okay? So I took my little impossible meat, I sauteed it up, I added in some sazon. Don't ask me what part of Italy they got sazon. I'm doing my thing, okay? I also added in, okay, I don't know if it's like a piece or sofrito. It just be in my freezer. And I added it in there. It's not in the recipe, don't worry, don't panic. I added an entire jar of marinara sauce and an entire jar of water, plus a little bit of a half. Then I added my little cashew cream. Ooh, it's pretty, it's like a tie-dye moment. I'm always gonna throw in a vegan chicken bouillon cube. You could skip it. You can. I mean, me, I wouldn't, but you could skip it. It's just like, sometimes you want a little razzle as well as dazzle. You feel what I'm saying? And that's what it does. Okay, so at this point, it's been like 10 minutes. You see what I'm saying? It comes together so quickly. Oh, this is just me being honest about like, it ended up being an entire jar. Cause I had that little bit from Trader Joe's and I had this, you know what I'm saying? See, I added more cause I was like it was good, but I feel like I want a little bit more like tomato-y. If you really like are in your tomato era, you really could add some like tomato paste in with the saute. I thought about doing that, but then I just like, oh, couldn't be asked. Anyway. Okay, so here's for the little noodle part. So this recipe was inspired by the fact I was looking at my pantry and I was like, what am I gonna film? And I was like, I got lasagna noodles. You can break them up in there now. If you know me and if you know from my sopa de fideo video, you know I don't like too many noodles. So I only did like 6, I think, maybe even 4 or 5. Recipe says 6 to 8. If you want whole pasta, put whole pasta in there. Like, do what you want to do. All right, so now we're just waiting for the noodles to cook. So like literally like 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Okay, I'll make a little ricotta because you put a little ricotta mixture on top because it's supposed to be lasagna. You got noodles, you got sauce, you need ricotta. Boom, I'm gonna make a vegan ricotta. You've seen this before. If you've been rocking me, whoa, so okay. If you have been rocking with me for a minute, you know I made a lasagna, I think last year. And this is how I make my ricotta. Like a tofu ricotta, you gotta jazz it up with a little vegan cream cheese so it tastes like something. Cause what tofu don't taste nothing about, like, it don't taste like nothing. It tastes like thoughts and dreams. You know what I'm saying? Boom, so I mix it, it's just equal parts tofu and, what's it called? Vegan cream cheese. I'm loving this one from Trader Joe's. It actually tastes like what I remember cream cheese tasting like. It's been like 7 years, girl. So, but it's a little tart, it's cute, little nutritional yeast. I'm in my cracked black pepper era. That's what I be using. A little salt and some oregano. Now, I couldn't find parsley. I'm very short in person, like 5 feet. So it could be back there. I don't remember seeing it. And I couldn't be asked. I was not gonna get up on no counter for no parsley, but I feel like a little parsley moment would be cute in here. If you like fresh parsley, do your big one, okay? Not me. I mean, I've come around, y'all know that. And you just mix it up. It looks like ricotta, right? Exactly. Exactly, counter. How many am I at? I think 3. Here she is. Okay, here's my soup. Yeah, it's giving bubble bubble, like right in time for Halloween. I was like, oh, this looks really good. It was so good, y'all. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna have it tonight. No, I had it right away. Like after I ate this bowl, like, I mean, of course I did. It's whatever. But like I ate it right away. It was so good. It was so easy. I'm talking 20 minutes. Like that's what I'm talking about. It was so good. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I should make next. The girls have been commenting, oh, make sancocho. I'm gonna make sancocho. I feel like I have to make Jamaican soup. I feel like I would be remiss. But somebody said chowder. I got you, but let me know. And if you're not a soup babe, what do you want me to make next? I can make anything vegan. Don't ask for no steak though, because I thought about doing steak, but like, don't nobody want no seitan ball. Okay, but anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos while you're here. Check out my other videos because you know I love videos. Comment. The link to this recipe, description box below. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.